Chiquillos, today I'm going to attempt to fix my bumper using a repair bracket kit I found online. These are 3D printed using carbon fiber nylon filament. I've had this issue with the bumper since I bought the car in 2014. I made a video earlier of how I temporarily fixed it, but shortly after, it came loose again. This problem occurs because the bumper tends to get stuck on those concrete dividers. It happens when I park head on, and when I reverse, the bumper gets caught on the dividers and damages the brackets. For this fix, I will use the brackets, an E12 socket, ratchet with extensions, and this epoxy glue. My car has the ZHP performance package, and the bumper is part of this package, the MTech 2. At the bottom of the bumper are two holes, where I have access to the two long E12 screws. In my case, it's simple to remove this bumper. Since I don't have the fender liners, the horn brackets are not screwing to the bumper, and I don't have the fog lights. These long E12 screws are easy to remove. Once they are unscrewed, I just pull down on them. This one fell inside the bumper when I unscrewed it. The original brackets are part of this piece that is not for sale, so the repair brackets I bought are my best option. To install the new brackets, it is necessary to remove the damaged brackets and make space for them to sit well. To attach the brackets to the bumper, I'll use this epoxy glue. This glue sets in 5 minutes and hardens in about an hour. Timer 5 minutos.
Empezando la cuenta regresiva.
After about 5 minutes, the brackets are somewhat fixed, and I started applying glue to the sides. About 2 hours later, the brackets are securely attached to the bumper. After about 5 hours, I started putting the bumper back on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button.